In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, a photographer, or simply someone looking to showcase your Instagram content on your site, these instructions will help you integrate your Instagram feed seamlessly. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Wix.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll want to use your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage for Wix, which serves as the hub for managing all of your websites. From the Wix homepage, you'll need to direct yourself to the specific site where you want to add the Instagram feed. Look for the Select Site link. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the sites you manage under your account. Choose the appropriate site that needs the Instagram feed and click on it. You'll then be taken to the dashboard for your chosen site. Here, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand sidebar. Look for Marketing and give it a click. This section will list several promotional features and tools available for your site. It's useful to familiarize yourself with this area, as Wix provides several tools that can enhance your website's marketing potential. Once you're in the marketing section, head over to Marketing Home. It's here that you'll find an array of options to help promote your site. There's a search box located at the top. Click on it and type Instagram feed. In the search results, look for the option labeled Instagram feed New. Choose this option by clicking on it. You'll be met with further details about this feature and how it functions. This is a valuable addition to your website if you rely heavily on Instagram for engaging with your audience and wish to display that content directly on your site. Close to the description of the Instagram feed, you'll find a button that says Add to Site. Click on this, and Wix will set up the Instagram feed integration on the site you selected earlier. Within a few moments, the necessary widgets and plugins will be automatically added. At this point, you might need to tweak the settings or appearance to match your site's aesthetic. Feel free to experiment with layouts, sizes, and styles until you find a design that best fits your brand or personal style. It's important for your site visitors to have a seamless experience, so these customization options are key. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully added your Instagram feed to your Wix website. This feature can significantly enhance the interactive elements of your website, allowing visitors to engage directly with your dynamic Instagram content.